Hi, it's Maria here from SpringTax. Here's 6 things every non-resident needs to know about US tax. Number 1. Residence for tax purposes. It's important to work out your tax residency status, as this will impact how much tax you pay while in the US. In short, if you are in the US on an FJMOK visa, you are typically considered a non-resident for your first 5 years in the US. As a result, there are a couple of important documents and forms you need to fill out for your tax man. We will come to this a little later. Meanwhile, if you are a J1 scholar or researcher, you are typically considered a non-resident for 2 out of the last 6 years in the US. If you are confused about your resident status, the good news is that SpringTax Returns will help you to work it out easily online. Number 2. Who must file a tax return? If you are present in the US under non-resident status, you need to file at least one form with the IRS, Form 8843. This is a simple form that declares your non-resident status to the tax authorities. However, if you receive any US source income such as wages, scholarship, or investment income, you need to file a federal tax return by law. You might also need to file a state tax return depending on your personal circumstances. Again, SpringTax Returns can help you with this and ensure you are fully compliant with the IRS. Number 3. Income documents. If you were present in the US during the tax season and received the US source income, it's likely you will need a couple of important documents in order to file your tax return. Firstly, a W-2 is typically the most popular and reflects the wages that you've earned during the tax year. Next, if you receive any taxable scholarship like housing allowance or stipends, you may receive a 1042S income document to reflect this income. Finally, the 1099 series of documents generally reflect income like rental, investment income, or income earning as an independent contractor. If you receive any of these 3 types of income documents, be sure to keep them safe as you need them when filing your return. Number 4. The tax filing deadline. The US tax deadline falls in April each year. It's important to file your taxes on time so you can avoid any late in filing fines from the IRS. With this in mind, it's a good idea to give yourself plenty of time to file and not leave everything to the last minute. Number 5. What do you need to prepare your tax return? The easiest way to manage your taxes is to file with SpringTax Returns. Before logging onto SpringTax Returns, you need to have some important information close by. This includes your income documents, your entry and exit dates in and out of the US, information from your passport, information from your visa, and your social security number or your ITIN. Number 6, it's time to file. Now that you have everything you need, you can visit the SpringTax Returns and create an account. Or you may receive a link from your school giving you access. Now it's time for us to take care of the rest. Visit the SpringTax Returns to get started.